Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day.
Okay, so let's start the mixing. Okay, of the fried, we will be making a crispy fried chicken. So I already washed my hands. So the first step, we have to 1 egg. Okay, let's heat 1 egg. What happened? Okay, then 1 egg. Put a little of fresh milk. This is optional, but for me, or evap milk. I tried it before and it's so crispy and nice. So little only. Okay, just to add the flavor. And then the next one, we put the pepper, because I already put salt in the chicken and a squeeze of lemon. So I put lemon and salt in here already. So I just need to put the ground black pepper and then we have to mix. Yeah, mix and mix. If you're here, maamoy nyo talaga na very masarap siya. I'll just put a little of fresh milk. And the last, we have to put the chicken. So, and this is already may salt and squeeze of lemon para masarap. Okay, so let's put the chicken para babad natin siya. I buy this chicken mixed parts kasi nga iba-iba naman yung gusto. Sometimes, some people gusto yung drumstick, some people gusto yung wings, some people gusto yung thigh. Like me, gusto ko yung wings and thigh and breast. Hindi ako after sa legs. So, yan. Ito yung bababad natin siya for... Actually, masarap ibabad siya for maximum 2 hours. But I will do it 1 hour only. This will be our lunch for today. So yeah, this is how. Let's keep it for 1 hour, and then maya i-mix naman natin siya sa cornstarch flour with little of chili powder. So let's keep it for 1 hour. Okay? That's the way I do it, the way I prepare fried chicken, Backlife's way. So let's see.
A few moments later.
Yes guys, so I'm back. Eto na po natin. I-ready na natin siya for frying. Okay? So what to do next is we have to put natin yung cornstarch and flour into the bowl. Like that. Yan. Ito po ay 1 cup kasi medyo marami yung dito ko. Yan. Yan. I'll put ito po yung twist niya. Meron siyang konting what you call this chili flakes. Yan. And then mix natin. Let's mix it. Okay. And then, ready na natin i-dip ang ating chicken a la Backlife's for frying. So, yan. Lagay na natin ang ating fried chicken. So, let's see. Okay, let's put our breast. Okay, ito na po. Let's do it again. Let's do chili flakes to add more flavors. Make it a little spicy, the twist. Yeah. And then we put the drumstick. Next is the drumstick. Yeah. Iba-iba naman tayo ng gusto sa fried chicken. The leg part, the thigh part, diba? So, meron gusto wings, tayong breast. So, I toss this mix. So I'll put on wings. 1 piece of wings. Let's keep it. And this is how I prepare my fried chicken. I preheated the frying pan for 350 maybe 5 times para mainit siya. So it's better mas mabilis siya and more crunchy after. So let's wait and see, guys. What's next in this one? So yeah, I'm done with this. So the next part. So fried chicken is one of the most requested, especially for kids, no? Na ulam, pagbaon, this is easy to gawin, and really talaga masarap and healthy kasi white chicken. Kasi mas healthy naman siya, hindi siya ganun hindi siya masyadong ma-fats like McLives, maraming fats, ganyan. Wait lang. Let's see, ha? So I'm done. So I'll do next is frying. So let's see. Let's wait and see.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I'm back. So all we have to do now is to fry the fried chicken. We're going to prepare for today. Wow. How hot, and we'll see after 5 minutes. We will cook this one maximum maybe 5 to 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and we'll see the result after of my crispy fried chicken with a twist. Wow, ang bango! Correct. Let's wait and see, guys.
A few moments later.
Ayan! Ang crispy fried chicken. Ready na siya. Yes. I like it little crispy kasi po, alam mo na, gusto ka na crispy. So nice. That's it. I'm done with the first batch. Let's put it in the strainer. Guys, I eat already the one dish and it's so juicy in the inside. And it's so delicious. It's really a success. For the fried chicken, juicy inside and crispy outside. So perfect! Oh. Let's chow! It's eating time! Enjoy! Success! Till next, if you like this video, please comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and please that notification bell button for more upcoming updates. And see you soon again to next cooking. And God bless us all. Keep us safe. Thank you very much for watching. God bless us all. Bye!